Hey, in today's video, I'm going to show you how I made these 3D printed organizers for small uh, hardware. I use a lot of this hardware for 3D printing to embed or enclose things, but everything is 3D printed. The only hardware you need are some nuts in the back. And I'll show you how I put these together, but these basically fit through and allow me to store different things, different sizes, and makes it easily accessible with the labels in the front. So stick around and watch. And hey, welcome to the channel. And so what I have here are the pieces for the box that I 3D printed. It's a Gridfinity box. So you print the two sides of the bottom half, this is the upper half, and the clips. This is a little label plate that you slide into the front, and the feet, which I've already glued on for this piece here. So once all that is glued on and set up, you can see the Gridfinity tray inside here. I've got the trays printing up for that now, and the instructions basically have you put these. It says an M3 by 25 bolt. I think this is an M3 by 20 that fits almost perfectly, but I may be wrong. I didn't think I had any 25s. These are designed to be stackable as well, so the feet would be able to, of a different box, would be able to slot into this so they could fit and not fall off. So with that, I do intend to make a couple of them to store my small material, like my M3, M4, M5, M6 nuts and bolts. So what I'm doing here is just going to attach these for the hinges. Now, I don't want to have these back out, so I'm going to put a little bit of blue thread locker on it. Absolutely hate this stuff though, because I seem to get it everywhere. So I'm just going to use like a little Q-tip with the little bit that I've put on. See if I can get that on there. I think I soaked it all up. Okay, there's a little bit. Oh, there we go. I'm going to take this and get a touch more thread locker than that. All right, well, get the other two put in. Okay, now that that's done, I need to put the clips in. So these clips right here will fit in between these two tabs here. Put it right there. Put it in and snap it into place. Okay, so now the box is sturdy. Clip it, open it up. Then I'll take my label plate, which I'm sure you could use like a Dymo label maker. I think there's ways you can actually print custom labels for what they are. I didn't do that because I'm not really sure exactly what I want going in them yet. I do have lots of stuff, but so that's going to go, and once I get the bins printed, they're going to go in there. This holds what's that, 15 bins, so it's going to hold the stuff I've got, stuff like this. Yeah, I understand it's already in a container, but problem is I've got quite a few of these types of things here. So if you look at this drawer, I've got you know, my M4s over here. Here's another M4 set. Here's a set of just washers, and you know, these get pulled out, particularly some of these with the other containers. These come separately. I just want a good way to kind of organize these to make it a little bit easier for me to keep them organized. So once I get these, I'll probably have several of these stacked up in this drawer to easily be able to grab what I need and go from there. But speaking of what we've got going on, here are the bins that are getting printed right now. We've got about a few more minutes, I believe, and we'll be able to get those put into the containers.